मल्टीपल इफेक्ट्स, राइट? एक होता है कि एक बंदे का सेल्फ एस्टीम खराब हो जाता है, तो बंदा इंट्रोवर्टेड हो जाता है. दिस पर्सन इज स्लाइटली मीकर, विल नॉट स्टैंड अप फॉर देमसेल्व्स, हैज अ लो सेल्फ एस्टीम. एक होता है कि योर सेल्फ एस्टीम इज सो फार डिस्ट्रॉयड, राइट, कि आप पॉर्क्यूपाइन बन जाते हो. पॉर्क्यूपाइन पता है क्या है? पॉर्क्यूपाइन इज जब भी थोड़ा भी डर लगता है ना, तो वो निकल जाते हैं. मेरे नजदीकी मत आओ बैंचोद. इट्स अ वेरी लाउड क्रीचर, इट्स अ वेरी फ्लैम्बॉयड क्रीचर. वो ये जो है ना, वो क्या है? वो फेक कॉन्फिडेंस है. वो खोखला कॉन्फिडेंस है, उससे कुछ होता नहीं है. सो देयर टू टाइप्स ऑफ बुलिंग आउटकम, राइट? एज इंट्रोवर्टेड इम्पैक्ट, देयर इज एक्सट्रोवर्टेड इम्पैक्ट. ये पॉर्क्यूपाइन वाला ये पॉर्क्यूपाइन है. ये खोखला कॉन्फिडेंस. ओके, खोखला कॉन्फिडेंस मतलब क्या? खोखला कॉन्फिडेंस इज यू आर ओवर कॉम्पेंसेटिंग just to get people to like you, pay attention to you, to feel worthy. Right? मैं funny क्यों हुआ? मैं तो funny इसीलिए हुआ ना, just to feel worthy of someone's time and attention. This is the character that has always existed. This extrovert character, this is me. But the extroversion is to protect self-esteem. This is who I've always been. This is the reason why I do stand-up. This is the reason why I have whatever I have done so far. That's just who I am. But once you have this awareness कि अच्छा आप ऐसे बिहेव करते हो क्योंकि आपको ये फीलिंग्स है, you start getting a little softer. Like I think I'm less insecure about myself now. Here I start doing stand-up with the aim of I'm also a comedian, man. Now our insecurity has gone. I said now I'll do it when I want to do it, and I want to do it at the pace I want to do it. Now also because I've been singed by social media and media so much over the last 7 years, मैं अब ऐसे जगह पहुंच गया हूँ कि I'm like, मुझे मीडिया पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहना है, मुझे ब्रांड्स पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहना है. मेरी जनता होगी एंड आई विल गिव देम माय कंप्लीट वर्जन. क्योंकि कल कोई बहन का लौड़ा आके बोल देगा यहाँ से कुछ, तो मेरे को मेरी पूरी जिंदगी की गांड नहीं बनानी है. क्योंकि कोई किसी एक आर्टिकल की वजह से मेरी लाइफ बर्बाद क्यों होनी चाहिए? मेरे लोग हैं ना, वो जानते ना मुझे. ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हो आप? इट्स बेस्ट टू बी योर मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक सेल्फ. गुस्सा हो तो गुस्सा हो, बुरा लग रहा है तो बुरा लग रहा है, बता दो जनता को. दोस्तों के साथ वही तो करते हो आप, यू नो. And unless it's male friendship you will never tell when you're upset. Upset, sadness नाम का चीज ही नहीं होता है. दोस्त like लॉन्डो की दोस्ती में sadness नहीं होती है, वो गुस्सा ही होता है. वो जो भी sadness है वो गुस्से में ही निकलता है. That's why I just say I don't want to do it for the validation anymore. I want to do it for the fun. There's too many things to do, Abhish. This is the problem. इसलिए stand up suffer होती है क्योंकि सब कुछ करना है. And I'm not even making this. I have all these things that are projects I have locked and I've started, and it will now take forever to happen.
I think I'm also stuck in the same space as you are, but the only difference I get to see is that you've had the what I always call with my friends, like everyone has a fuck it in their life.
Yeah.
And fuck it. Usually it happens after one of your parents pop. Usually it happens once you've gone through a crisis.
Yeah.
So I think you've gone through multiple smaller, bigger fuck it's, then you go through
one giant fuck it,
and you're like, let's do it. And I'm waiting for my fuck it. Like I think I've gone through smaller fuck it's, but I haven't gone through fuck this shit.
You know, it's not just the fuck it. देख 2-3 चीजें हमें सिखाई गई ना लाइफ में जो बिल्कुल ही इनकरेक्ट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वर्क हार्ड, मेहनत करने से सक्सेस मिलता है. नहीं, ये चुतियाब है. नहीं मिलता है मेहनत करने से. ये जरूरी नहीं है. बहुत लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, पर वो कहाँ मेहनत करते, दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. वेयर डू यू पुट इन दैट एफर्ट? व्हाट इज द हैक टू दैट विल टेक यू अहेड ऑफ एवरीबडी एल्स? व्हाट कैन यू डू दैट गिव्स यू एन एज? दैट स्टफ इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट. सो आई थिंक this I've told you offline also. I'm like, you're very hardworking, but what you do is what really matters.
Here's my future prediction of what content is going to be like.
Please tell me. I also have some ideas.
Okay, perfect. So my future prediction is platforms will now do 24-hour streams. So that means Abhish Mathew will wake up at 7 in the morning. Like, hey guys, welcome to the stream. 8 o'clock will be breakfast with Abhish Mathew. And at 12 o'clock, I'm going to be sitting with Tanmay for my finance podcast. And at 6 p.m., I'm going to be streaming for 3 hours. And then it's good night time. All right, see you. And then it's just the vlog. The vlog style will be the transition. And then it cuts back to, hey, I'm sitting here with Tanmay. So it's going to be a 24-hour stream where your life is going to be on the
I'm doing this right now. It's not the future.
But I'm saying it is
in my
going
new
to happen
house.
now.
This is what's happened. I'm doing this. रोज रात को 10 से 12. I mean, I don't know if it will happen by now. But this is not ये तो signs were there since very beginning, man.
Correct. That's why I just picked up the signs and saying this is what will happen.
The sign was Snapchat, right? When Snapchat let you upload highlights of your life, that would be around about 24 hours. That was our first step towards मैं अपनी पूरी जिंदगी ब्रॉडकास्ट करूंगा, ठीक है? फिर इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज आ गया, उसके बाद आप अपनी जिंदगी के थोड़ा और हिस्सा ब्रॉडकास्ट करने लगे धीरे धीरे. फिर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग started becoming mainstream. Now it's going to be broadcasting your whole life all the time. Again, the sign was on Snapchat. जब Snapchat में वो map introduce किया ना to show where your friend is. We're going to reach a time where you will not only know where your friend is, you can see them. That's where we are going because they'll be broadcasting live. The more we are connected as individuals, the whole world, the more lonely we are going to get slowly. Why lonely? क्योंकि खुद की self identity पे question mark रहेगा कि मैं कौन हूँ. ये सब इतने सारे लोग हैं, इन लोगों में मैं कौन हूँ. That's going to create anxiety. That's going to get a lot of people depressed. In fact, मैं अभी stand-up पे बात करता हूँ कि जब मैंने depression की बात की, बहुत this generation of kids, a lot of them message me saying even I am anxious, even I am depressed, even I am anxious. And I was just thinking कि why is it so? It's because you're constantly watching other people and that makes you feel fuck मैं अपने life के साथ क्या कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि बाकी सबकी life amazing है. तो मत करो. It's we're going towards a terrible place where either you make it or you're fucking upset.
I don't know if it's our responsibility. It's not our responsibility. It's holier than thou for us to think that way. But this is something that's exciting for us, and we are starting it. Looking at us, a newer generation will like, अगर तन्मय कर रहा है तो हम भी करेंगे. And then they get into this. Then it's going to be a spiral effect. It could stop, but it doesn't need to stop because someone else will do it. So it is an eventuality which we are part
Correct.
of. We know where we're going to.
Correct.
We're going to be lonely. We're going to be isolated. We'll only be in front of each other as a performance piece.
Yeah, but you can only immunize yourself to it, yaar.
I feel the future after all of this will be everyone will be like, fuck this creator life. I want to get a job and I want to have what my parents used to have. That 7 बजे जब बाप का काम खत्म होगा, 8 बजे जब आएंगे.
It's called a routine.
A routine life.
A routine life
is where we will all go.
Where we will all. It's already happening in bits and pieces, no? एक टाइम था जब होटल में वाईफाई होता रहो उसके लिए 1000 रुपए ज्यादा देने पड़ते थे आपको. अब देयर आर जीरो कनेक्टिविटी होटल्स जहाँ पे वाईफाई नहीं होने के लिए आपको पैसा देना पड़ता है. So Naval Ravikant once said that this generation's battle is going to be of a battle of abundance. How do you protect yourself against abundance of things? How do you protect yourself against abundance of data, abundance of sugar, abundance of this, abundance of pornography also. He said sexuality, abundance, you have to protect yourself from it. So this generation की लड़ाई उससे है, बहुत ज़्यादा है सब कुछ.
Yeah, we are the first generation allowed to dream and we dreamed so much that it's becoming our own issue. Because मेरे भाई was a dancer, but he had to take a corporate job. My dad must have been a singer.
Dreams are asking us to catch up with them.
Yeah, that's
because the possibilities are endless, right? Like अभी मुझे live stream करने में बहुत ideas आते हैं. Sometimes I get anxious just thinking there's so many things to do, and the second thought is, and I am not doing them.
Yeah.
Why am I not doing them? There's so many things. Don't need to do everything. Just need to do it smart. What is the smartest way?
I don't think there are questions.
So I had one theory. Okay. As social media जब से बढ़ा है ना, तब से झगड़े बढ़ गए, right? क्यों बढ़ गए? इतनी trolling और hate और ये क्यों बढ़ गया? क्योंकि people with different perspectives are now exposed to each other in the most intimate way as possible. Imagine someone that you dislike a lot, and imagine if you were stuck in a fucking Dadar local with this person right next to you. That's what social media is like. कि आपको दूसरे लोग के thoughts, उनके worst feelings, worst thoughts, सब कुछ दिख रहा है आपको, इसलिए आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, इसलिए आप झगड़ रहे हो. इसकी वजह से झगड़ा इंक्रीज हो रहा है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इंक्रीज हो रहा है. दूसरी चीज ये है कि आपकी खामियां और आपकी इनसिक्योरिटीज बहुत क्लियर हो चुके हैं, क्योंकि दूसरे लोग जो अच्छा कर रहे हैं ना, वो कॉन्स्टेंटली आपके स्क्रीन पे आ रहे हैं. तो क्योंकि आपको बुरा लगता है, योर ओनली वे टू डील इज टू गो से समथिंग मीन टू देम. दैट्स योर सबकॉन्शियस एंड दैट्स योर सेल्फ एस्टीम ट्राइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट इटसेल्फ बाय इक्वलाइजिंग इट. But I think now it's important that people become self-aware the most. This is what younger generation में यही बोलता हूँ कि self-aware होना बहुत जरूरी है. आप हर अपने एक्शन को, if you can just think कि मैंने ये क्यों किया, मेरी ये फीलिंग क्यों आ रही है, अगर आपको आपकी जल रही है, मैं क्यों जल रहा हूँ, अगर आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, मुझे क्यों गुस्सा आ रहा है. So whenever someone young tells me saying I'm anxious, I'm depressed, etc., I'm like, just take 20 minutes out in the whole day, keep your phone away and just journal your thoughts. Because दिख जाएगा सब कुछ, आपके सारे बिखरे हुए ना, हो शिट आज मैंने 4 लोगों को चार लोग कह रहे हैं बुरी चीजें सोची, क्यों? What's the common thing? Oh, they're all doing very well. Because nobody hates on someone not doing as well as them. Like if I sit and hate on my, say, watchman, like what sort of pathetic loser am I? I can only hate on, someone, I can only hate on Ambani. Because I want to be him. Who is sitting here fucking like, मेरा दूध वाला चूत? कोई नहीं बोल रहा है ऐसा. आप hate किसे कर रहे हो? Some influencer who's leading a great life. Especially male children, जिन पे दुनिया में कुछ बनने का बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर है. People don't often talk about masculinity issues. बट जो लड़के एग्जाम का प्रेशर क्यों है, उनका पूरी फैमिली क्यों एग्जाम का प्रेशर डाल रही है कि तू घर का चिराग है, we expect you to be something. It's also pressure. Just like girls have their own pressure, boys have their own pressure. And being exposed to social media and getting angry, I feel bad for them because I'm like, you don't know how to deal. Like there are some guys who message me incessantly every day, violent physical threats. I'm like, you're going through something that you're going to do something to someone at some point, and I feel bad for you because you don't know how to deal with your insecurity.
Creators. I'm talking about students that are watching us, students who are watching you, who look at your life and they're like, dude, this is interesting. मेरे को भी creator बनना है. Architecture खत्म करके मुझे creator बनना है. They finish architecture, they immediately become creator. That I think is the solution to the anxiety bubble, which is soon going to come, right? Where everyone's like, मेरे life में कुछ नहीं है, मैंने शादी कर ली है, इसमें कुछ नहीं हो रहा, बच्चा बन गया, ये नहीं हो रहा है मेरे को, now I'm 35 years old, अब मैं कैसे streaming कर सकता हूँ, अब तो मेरा life बन गया. So
मैं दुनिया में कौन हूँ is a question that
and arises. The only way out of it is if you also start creating, because I think a job is good, but that's to keep you money, one for the kitchen, one for the soul. Karo create, karo live stream, karo Instagram pe, get that gratification, feel that good, get that independence, get through that bubble, go through that depression, get through that fuck it, reinvent and come, because I feel that एक बार success मिल गया ना, गिरना पड़ेगा. फिर से उठाओ, फिर गिरोगे, फिर उठोगे. Same thing with all of us. Like even for you, from college to successful to down, then pick it up, then with internet, successful down, then rebuilding. All of us are going through the same thing. We just need to look at our life as phases, acts. And I feel like you're in third act or fourth act. From what I know. You must be your 10th act in your life.
I don't know. I don't know what acts and all. I just know that वो सारे cliches वह जो true ही होते हैं. Just failure teaches you more, etc. etc. I think I've had so many experiences that's helped. So every phase or every act is really useful. So now I look at some people who are just popping, and I'm like, we've got to play this for 25 years. Yeah. The world rewards someone when they bring something that doesn't exist or is scarce. So did you know that the most popular profession amongst kids used to be astronaut in the 80s? Today it's YouTuber. क्योंकि क्या था उस टाइम पे, किसका नाम फेमस था? जब कोई मून जाता था तब पूरी दुनिया उसका नाम पहचानती थी, राइट? तो यू वुड फील लाइक ओ मुझे वो बनना है क्योंकि सब जय जयकार करे उसकी. आज सब किसकी जय जयकार कर रहे हैं? लोगन पॉल. तो सबको बनना है, सारे बच्चों को बनना है लोगन पॉल. तो आई थिंक ये बच्चों को रिकग्नाइज करना चाहिए. योर क्वेस्ट टू make PUBG videos is actually your quest to just be seen in the world. That's what you truly want. Think about it smartly. What is it that's missing? How can I do something that's not there? You have to see what shape the hole is and then shape yourself so you can fit into it. Without finding a hole, you're just, where are you going to be? You're just going to be on top of another pile unless you fit somewhere.
Very nice and sexual.
I know. Just सारे hole में घुस जाओ. जो भी hole दिख रहा है, घुस जाओ उसके अंदर.
How often are you going back to what you've done to learn from it, to refix, or are you just doing?
I'm learning every day. जब मैं सुबह उठता तब मैं 1 घंटा YouTube एनालिटिक्स पे बैठता हूँ. Learning is as important a part of creating as like I give it a lot of time. So learning it's super important. See, any solution to boredom is going to lead to boredom eventually. I think I forgot who said this.
This is the same thing. I've been watching a lot of videos about boredom and how I do morning journal, right? It's just like if I allow myself to get bored, I create happily. And then I'm able to do so much more.
No, so, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying जो चीज आज boredom solve करी है ना, वो 3 साल में वो boredom solve नहीं करेगी. क्योंकि human brain is wired such कि हमें constantly नया stimulation चाहिए होता है. Constantly. मेरा edit ऐसे में क्यों करता हूँ edit? That's the reason. We get bored far easily, and the things that solve our boredom, we get bored of that also. So you have to learn from your own content. There's no choice.